Namaskaram, name is Saidara. Welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to Go Online. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can create your own shopping cart for any website. Okay. Before I explain the implementation part of this shopping cart, which we are going to build, let me quickly show you the demo of the shopping cart, how it's gonna look like. Okay. Ta-da! This is how it's going to look like, and as you can see, so there is a store and you can name the store whatever you want in future. And then also here we are listing some of the products which we wanted to sell to the end users, and also we are showing several information related to the product, each product, like the product name, the model number, and price, and associated image. Okay. And when the end user wanted to purchase one of the item from our store, all they need to do is they need to click on add to cart, just like the other projects. Okay. And then as you can see here, the count is increased for that user. And then if they wanted to add more, then I can add like the same way they did before. And as you can see, the cart now have two products. And also the before we have add to cart, now the button is changed to delete, so the rest is normal. And but these two products, they change their buttons to delete. So the delete means if you want to delete from the cart, you can delete again. So the count is increased, I mean decreased to one. And again, if you want to add one more time, you can add. And also like other websites, so if you want to see the preview of your cart, like how many products you added inside your cart, all you need to do is click on the cart. Then you can see the list of items you added inside the cart, and also the calculation part, and also the total amount you need to pay to this store if you want to purchase these two watches from this store. Okay. So as you can see, this is a full-fledged shopping cart website which you can integrate to any website, or you can sell any product online with this script. And also this is just using HTML, CSS, and plain JavaScript without any external frameworks like React or Angular or Vue. Okay. So if you are interested and if you wanted to learn how to create this on your own, then you're in the right place. So all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that when I upload the implementation part of this video, you are getting notified first. Okay. See you in the next video where I explain how we can implement this. Okay. Bye.